Hello viewers, welcome. In this video, we are going to see how we can make a wireless electronic board. This circuit mainly consists three components: Arduino Uno, LCD display and GSM module. As you can see in the diagram, I have written all 16 pins of 16 by 2 LCD display. Second and 15th pins are connected to 5-volt pin of Arduino Uno. And first, third, 5th and 16th pins are given to ground pin of Arduino Uno. 6th pin, that is enable pin, is given to 8th pin of Arduino Uno. 4th pin is register selection pin, that is given to 9th pin of Arduino. Data pin D4, that is of 11th pin of LCD, is given to 10th pin of Arduino Uno. 12th pin of LCD is given to 5th pin of Arduino Uno, while the D6 13 pin of LCD is given to 12th pin of Arduino Uno. Here we have 7th pin of Arduino Uno is connected to 14th pin of LCD display. The other remaining pins are left without connecting because we won't use them. So this is how we can connect LCD display to Arduino. As I have mentioned in earlier videos, GSM module consists 4 pins: VCC, ground, transmission pin and reception pin. This is given to 5 volts pin of Arduino and this is given to ground pin of Arduino, while the transmission pin of GSM module is given to reception pin of Arduino and the reception pin of GSM module is given to transmission pin of Arduino. Here the third pin is used to increase the contrast of this LCD display. So we take a potentiometer consisting 3 pins, first, second, third pins. The middle pin is connected to third pin of LCD display, while the first and third pins are connected to VCC and ground pins respectively. This is how we can make the connections of this circuit. Let us see how it works. As you can see here, the GSM module consisting 2G or 3G SIM, as it doesn't support more than 3G SIM cards. This GSM module only accepts AT commands. So AT plus CMGR command is used to read the message, while AT plus CMGS command is used to send the message, following by /R. So these are the commands internally generated and that are used by this GSM module. And AT plus CNMI equal to 2, 2, 0, 0, 0 command is used to auto read the message and display it on LCD display. And a command ATD plus country code and 10-digit mobile number and semicolon following /R. All these commands are written in your code that is to be dumped in Arduino Uno. Let us see the working of this circuit. I have fed this SIM card number in my mobile and now I can send any SMS to this number in order to get the message displayed on this LCD board. For every message that you want to display on LCD board, you have to enter the message or start the message with an hash mark and end the message with star mark. That indicates that hash mark indicates the beginning of the message, while the star mark indicates the end of the message. This is to be read by GSM module and that is to be sent to the LCD display in order to get our message to be displayed. Let us see. I have sent a message ECE projects, and you can see here the message is displayed. Now I want to send another new message that has to be started with hash mark. And must end with star mark. So in between hash and star mark, you can enter any character, number, or whatever the message you want it to be displayed. So as you can see here, the message is received and it is displayed. This is how we can make a simple circuit of electronic board. This LCD board can be placed at anywhere, wherever you want, and majorly, as we are the engineering students, you can place this LCD board in your departments, and by increasing the number of boards you can place it at each and every classrooms. If anyone want to tell any emergency message, one who is accessing this SIM card number can send the message and have it to be displayed on this LCD board. It can be used to place in railway stations, bus stands in order to display the messages. Uh, This is how we can make use of this electronic board. Thank you for watching.